Hey guys, so in this video I'll be giving you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to make boho twist. So if you don't know how to make boho twist, you're wondering how do you add the coils to the twist, just stay tuned. We're going to dive into it. I'll be giving you all the tips you need. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what you think about this tutorial. Firstly, let's talk about this extension. I had to drive out of the house to get this extension in the Pakistani shop, and guess what? This extension was less than £30. It's a synthetic buck hair, and this hair came out really beautiful. Like what my client said, it did not actually tangle like crazy. It was very fair. So when you get this kind of buck extension, all you need to do is to cut the up part of it, and it doesn't have like all those short ends. It's a very good synthetic hair, so I recommend this 100%. If you want the link, please comment in the comment section and I'll be sending it down to you. So this is what the buck hair look like. It's very beautiful, full from top to bottom. So let's start with the boho twist right now. So the first thing you want to do for you to get a very neat twist is to make sure that the extension is equal on both sides. So what I did now is to cut that extension in the middle. Is equal in both sides. So what you need to do, you can see how it looks, is the same size. So make sure as much as you can, make sure that it's actually the same size on both sides. So the twist I want to make is like braid, not less from the bottom. It's bust braid. So all I need to do is to share the natural hair in two, and then half of the hair I share it in two again, if that really makes sense. On the next braid I'm going to explain better so you guys can actually catch up. So what I like to do, from the picture she actually showed me, was that the first coils you're going to put is very close to the root of the braid. That's the reason why you see me that I quickly add coils to it. And when I'm doing the twist, I like to add the coils as if I'm adding as if I'm making a knotless braid, so just so the coils can really stays and it doesn't like keep standing, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I also like to use my lips to hold my curly extension for a minute, for me to like twist downward before I take it off my lips and then drop it. With that, I will have a more firmer coil. It won't like unravel on its own. For those of you who actually commented on my previous video that you cannot use your lips to hold your an extension, seriously, all you are just doing is using your lip. But if you can't, you can get a clip and then just clip it on the hair. That will be easier. But for me, I just feel like using my lips is more like I get a more firmer grip, so I would always use my lip. If you are on this my platform, seriously, you always see me using my lips. So watch what I'm going to do now when I'm adding the coils. So this is the trick that a lot of people find difficult. When you add the coils, you make sure you twist just like you start twisting from the beginning, where you start the twist from the root. Immediately you add the coils, twist it tight firmly before you start twisting downward. After a few twists, like 3-4, you can take out the coils, just like I use my lip to hold it again, and then start twisting downward. The next hair I'm going to make, I'm going to be more detailed and slow down a bit so you guys can actually grab what I'm talking about. But what I did on this twist boho braids is that I didn't really twist the hair to the end because the client wants me to put a natural coils at the bottom. So if you want to see that video, which I've already uploaded on this platform, I'm going to be linking it so you can check it, how to put coils at the end of your boho braids. It's very detailed, and I bet you guys are going to love it. See how nice that twist look. It's very neat. So the number one secret about making a very nice twist, like a very neat twist, is to make sure that the both side, because it's going to be two extensions on your left and your right hand that you're going to be twisting down. So make sure that the both sides are the same. If it is the same, even if you don't know how to twist, seriously, your twist is going to come out very nice. This came out really beautiful. And also it depends on how much coils you want. You can put more than 2 steps on this twist. I actually put 2 steps, but if you want, you can put 3, you can put 4, you can put 5. But what my client wants, he wants it to be very scanty in between, and it came out just exactly the way she wants it. So pay attention to this next one that I'm going to twist now, and make sure you don't miss anything. If you think you miss anything, start from the beginning again, and I bet you're going to understand all what I'm doing. Like what I will always say, pay attention to my fingers. That's what I'm using to do the work while I use my mouth to talk, if that makes sense. So starting from the bottom, I'll braid it from the bottom like a normal boss braid. If you are doing a knotless braid, you start from the bottom as a knotless braid, like put the extension badge by badge, if that makes sense. If you are doing knotless, you should have already have idea on how to do that. But if not, I have videos you can just check on my platform, and I'll be linking one again on how to do knotless braid, so you can watch if you don't have idea on how to make knotless braid. Yeah. So after adding that extension, I just start twisting down, and when I get to where I want to put the coils, that's where I want you guys to pay attention to it, because this is where people find it difficult on how they add coils to boho twist. So some people will tell you, I can do boho braid, but I can't do boho twist. So this is the tricky part. Immediately I add the extension, I like adding it from the bottom of the braids, and then before I twist down, you will notice that I twist the hair tightly, firmly, just to make sure that the extension, the coily extension, is firm, like wrapped through the extension, if that really makes sense. You know, I'm not very good at explaining, but I'm trying my best to give you guys a detailed video here. Yeah, so after that, you just take it off and then start twisting. Like I said, if you're worried about using your lip to hold the coils, but if you're a beginner, I will really advise that you use your lip. But if not, just use a clip to clip the coils on the other braids. It will still be secure, but if you're a beginner, seriously, I strongly advise you use your lips, because it's going to come out very, very firm on the twist. So this is basically how you can actually make your boho twist. It's not difficult. It's almost as easy as the boho braids. However, it's a little bit difficult than the boho braid. But if you know this trick, that when you're adding the coily extension, you have to like twist it very well before you take out the coily extension again and twist downward. If you understand all those tips, seriously, you're going to make a very nice twist, boho twist. And what I like to do after making my braid or twist, I always like to trim. So if you're on this my platform, you know that this lady likes to trim a lot, and this is what we got. You could see the two coily extension. So guys, if you do like this video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this tutorial. Was it helpful? Was it detailed enough? Please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you want the coily extension, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to share the link of the extension with you guys. This came out really, really beautiful. I love it, and I hope you guys love it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.